Good morning, guys. Happy Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Today I just have a lot of designing to do, printing, cutting. I have 2 kits that I want to design, and then I think I want to work on single sheets. I think I'm just going to do 3 kits for new releases next week for the sale, and then some single sheets, and then I also have a really exciting package I'm going to show you guys. I'm waiting on another package, so there's lots of new fun stuff coming to the shop. So yeah, I guess I'll just go ahead and show you guys the stuff that I already have, and when I get the other box I will show you that. It was supposed to get here yesterday, but it you know how like things go with that. So anyway, I'll just show you guys. You guys, look at all the new pins coming to the shop. Look at how beautiful that is. It's so pretty. So we have, as you can tell, several different pins coming to the shop. Like so many pins, so many. And then we also have these little to-do list. Like I said, there's another package I'm waiting on, but I am so excited. These look so beautiful. I kind of just want to keep them all for myself, but you know, I won't do that. But look at how beautiful they look. I think my favorite one is actually this marble one, if it'll even focus on it. There we go. This marble one is so pretty. I mean, they're all so pretty, honestly. I'm so excited. So these will be going up next Thursday for the TPC sale. So if you guys are interested in these and getting them discounted, then definitely stay tuned for the TPC sale. And like I said, we'll also have these notepads or like little sticky notes. I don't know if they're sticky notes or if they're sticky notes. So we'll also have these. And then, like I said, I'm still waiting on another package, and I'll show you guys that when I get it. So yeah, that's what's up today. That's what we are doing. It's just a work day in my life. It's gonna be a heavy like design day. I'll probably screen record for you guys. I feel like that's just the best way to show you guys what I'm doing without like setting up the camera and everything. And then I also need to print everything and cut everything. So it's just gonna be one of those days where it's like a print, cut sort of day, and hopefully that's okay. But yeah, oh, also I wanted to show you guys something else. I also got these new cards, these new like postcards that go in your orders. So that's pretty cool. I'm thinking that I'm just gonna use the back to like write a note to you guys. All right, that's what's going on. I'm just gonna get busy designing, printing, cutting, all the things, and I'm just gonna take you along on my day. It's just gonna be a pretty chill day in the life of a sticker shop owner. Just all the behind the scenes stuff that goes into this. I also, probably not today, but at some point this week, I need to set up everything to have glossy stickers because I'm pretty sure I'm just bringing back glossy stickers. That's just, it's gotta happen. I need to bring back glossy stickers, and I still have a bunch of glossy paper, so it's like totally fine. All right, I'm gonna get started with my day. I'm gonna design my little life away today. So hopefully you guys enjoy that. Okay guys, update. So far I am almost done with one kit. I think I want to do, okay, so I want to finish this kit and then I need to do one more kit, and then I think that's it for all the kits that are coming out next week, I think. Unless I decide I need to add more, but I think that 3 is a good amount, especially since I've been coming out with so many lately. And like last week we had 6, so I feel like there's a ton of stuff in the shop for the sale, which is awesome. But yeah, anyway, I'm currently printing the first part of the Freedom Kit that I just finished, and you guys watched me design the full box page, so I got that done. I'm working a little bit slower than I would have liked, but it is what it is. Like really, if I can get the 2 kits done today and then do like some single sheets tomorrow, really next week is just going to be taking the photos, doing the listings, doing the social media stuff, all of that. So I feel good. I feel good about this. I feel like lately I've been like taking a lot of the pressure off of myself, and I've just been having fun with it and getting stuff done like on my time and not feeling like pressured to hurry and get stuff done, and being able to take more time and just enjoy what I'm doing, which is really nice. So that's the update. It's almost lunchtime, which I'm excited about because I'm starving, and I think I'll just take like a little bit of a break from this. But I basically have all the Freedom Kit done minus the extra sheets and like the extra full box and like deco. I hate the deco. I hate the deco, but that's okay. I just hate like the process of doing it. It's not hard. It's just, I feel like it's just time consuming and tedious. But anyway, so I'm almost done with that. And then the next kit, really the hardest part of all the kits is just the full boxes. And it's not even hard. It's just trying to make sure that I take my time and I make them look good. And I'm really, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm like really trying to up my full box game, because it can be really just easy to throw clip art on full boxes and be like, yeah, I'm done, but like harder to really make them look different from everybody else, you know, because everybody uses like pretty much the same artists, and you know, so there's a lot of similar options out there. I want to make mine a little bit different and just have like my own spin on things. So that's what's going on. I feel like this is not super interesting to vlog just because I'm just designing all day, but you know, that's part of it. You know, some days I design all day and some days I'm working on orders all day, and every day is a little bit different but also kind of the same. So it's hard to feel like I'm making these vlogs a little bit different for you guys, but I don't have any orders to work on. I got all my orders done. So now I'm just working on designing new stuff and getting all of those things done. That's what's going on. That's my little update. I feel like I'm just very rambly, but it's just, it is what it is. So okay guys, look at what just showed up. I'm so excited. So first things first, I ordered, let me get it out, these new notepads. So this says today. It has a place for your schedule, for notes, your to-dos, and your habits, and your water. And look at how pretty this looks. I'm obsessed. So I only got 4 of them. So there's only gonna be 4 listed for right now. And then if stuff sells out, I will try to order more. But if you are interested in this, I would definitely make sure to grab it during the sale. And then I also got this weekly planner pad. So this can like sit on your desk, so you can have all your to-dos for the week, your to-do list, your notes, and your habit tracker. And it still has that same pretty print up here. So again, I think I got 4 of them, just to try them out and see how they're gonna do. But obviously if stuff sells out and you guys really love it, I will definitely order more. So that's everything that I got, plus all of those pins over there. Focus. My desk is a mess, just ignore it. But yeah, so the pins and then the notepads are what's coming to the shop, and I'm so excited. Okay guys, so I completely had a change of plans. I was gonna design a different kit, but Coffee Doodles, which is where I get a lot of my clip art, in case you were wondering, released this like, exclusive thing. Like, it's not an exclusive kit, but she released an exclusive like early bird bundle, so you get like more things. So I was like, I have to, and I am obsessed obsessed with this kit. So I love the full boxes. I love like kind of doing them the way that I just did. Lighting's a little weird in here, I'm sorry. I just did that kit and I've printed off the, what is this? The 4th of July kit, and I've printed off this kit. So I have 3 kits printed and I just have to cut them tomorrow. And I think I'm still gonna try to do the one other kit. So that'll probably be what I do tomorrow. I'll probably design one more kit, print it, then cut all of them. So yeah, but that's just what I've been doing. I've just been working on those. I feel like this vlog has not been that interesting. I'm still gonna upload it because it's still like what I've done today, just a lot of designing and stuff like that. All right guys, so it is 4:30 right now. I've pretty much done all the designing that I want to do today. I have one kit left to design and I'm gonna get that in the morning, but I just feel like blah because I've been sitting in front of my computer all day. I've been so focused on designing, which is great, but it also doesn't make for like a super interesting vlog, I feel like, because I've literally just been sitting here designing all day. So yeah, but I wanted to get another video up. I'm really trying to, I don't want to commit to Monday through Friday videos, but I'm kind of trying to do more of that. I'm trying to get back to, you know, what my channel used to be in terms of like content and what I'm sharing with you guys. It is 4:30 and I'm probably gonna wrap up this vlog here just because there's not really anything else like sticker related that I feel like sharing today or that I need to share today. And I'm also gonna be filming tomorrow, but I wanted to like have another video for this week. It's like, I should have filmed on Monday, but I didn't, or what was happening on Monday? I don't remember. But yeah, I should have filmed on Monday, but I didn't. So I'm a little bit behind on filming this week anyway. And I try to like make these videos more of like a week in my life now because I feel like you get a better kind of like idea of what I'm doing every day. But like today was just a design day and I just like, was like, you know what? I'm gonna film it anyway. And I don't know. Do you guys like seeing design days? Do you like seeing the designing videos and how I come up with the kits and how I do those things? Let me know in the comments below. I would really appreciate hearing what you guys like to see in these types of vlogs. Like, what is it when you click on a day in the life of a sticker shop owner video, are you hoping to see? Do you want to see? Do you want to know more about? Because I will definitely try to incorporate that in my videos. The only problem that I might have with that is if it is something that is in my course, I don't feel comfortable sharing it in these videos. You know, I used to do a lot more tips and tricks and here's how to do things and everything like that in my videos because I didn't have a course at the time. But when I came out with the course, I felt it was really important to keep the course separate of the YouTube channel because obviously people paid their good hard-earned money on this course and I don't want to make that for nothing by just putting that content on here for free. You know what I mean? So like that's the only thing is like if you're coming here to learn how to make stickers, that I'm not going to be able to share that with you because I have a course on it, you know? And I'm very protective of that. I want to make sure that people didn't waste their money on that if I'm putting it on here for free. So anyway, so that definitely changes the vlogs just a little bit because I know watching back on old vlogs, I did talk more about certain things just to help you guys and share that. And it's not even that I don't want to help you guys. I just have to be careful with what I share because people have paid for that. You know what I mean? So anyway, I would love to hear though, like what you guys like to see in these videos. What is it about these videos that you like, you enjoy, that keep you coming back for more? Let me know in the comments below. But I am gonna wrap up this video because it is 4:30. James will be coming home soon. I wanna get a head start on editing this because I'm hoping to put it up tomorrow. And yeah, and I need to start a new vlog tomorrow so that way it can go up on Monday. So yeah, let me know in the comments below your thoughts. But that is gonna wrap up today. I hope you guys enjoyed this design with me day. Let me know if you did, and I will catch you guys in my next vlog. Bye guys.